I interned during summer at Valeris Analytics. So it was a pretty good experience since I had no work experience back in India. Even I had just done like one or two internships in India. So over here, the experience was a bit different than what was expected there from India. The culture over here is different. The teams, the way they work, everything is a bit different over here. And I used to work there in New Jersey. It was not over here in New York. Like I had to shift for 3 months to New Jersey, so even that was a bit new for me. And the journey was basically very good, and I didn't get a full-time offer from there. The thing is, NYU generally has an intake of around 400 to 500 people, so it's difficult to meet all those people. But so far, within my friends group, I guess it should be around 60 to 70% work experience. Having a work experience obviously gives you some edge to in terms of internships and full-time jobs, because they have some work which they can show. So I guess they might get some more opportunities than what new freshers get. Over there, I was being contacted by a recruiter. I am not sure. I assume that it is most probably from LinkedIn itself, because I was actively applying for that time. So the recruiter contacted me and asked like if we are interested in your profile. So if you would like to interview for our team, then please let us know. So I just shooted that I am being interested, and then the procedure started. It had like 6 to 7 rounds, so it was a duration of 2 to 2.5 months, right from the first round till the day I got the offer. So it is basically a long-lasting duration, but obviously hard work pays off, and it depends on the interviewer as well as because if they are interested in what we are specialized in, then only all these big four companies hire. So I would just like to say, be clear in your concepts and just code. Just update all your resume, because there are a lot of recruiters who are on your profile. So I have updated everything on my LinkedIn, right from my all the projects to GitHub repositories, everything you can say about my resumes and profiles, whatever you can say. So it is basically very different from state to state. So it depends on the state. Like if in New York, if you go, because of a huge amount of taxes, people get paid generally around $30 to $45, varying upon the company's standard. Whereas in Jersey, if you go, it varies from $25 to $35 or $40, because of less tax, or maybe you can say zero tax. You just get more in New York. Basically, it's like they tell you that they will give you more, but after cutting your taxes, you get the same in your hand. So I did not get any offers, because I was a newbie, and like I was novice and I had no experience like how to interview and how to like talk with the managers and the company officials. However, I learned a lot, and I had my roommates who like had good sense like how to go with all the career fairs, and they did crack very good companies over there. So it was helpful to almost all of us. It was more of learning for me, because I had not given much interviews back in India. However, there are a lot of internship opportunities. Companies do come over here. So basically, during internships, it's generally like majority of the companies do come. They do interview you, and then if they like you or if they are interested in you, then they just shoot you for your final round, or whatever their company's procedure is. So, as per my experience, the companies who are interested in you generally try to remain in contact with you, and then maybe they conduct a lot of interviews for different positions as well, if they think that you are a qualified person, or if they have some interest in your resume or something like that. So that is a very good, and I guess a very big opportunity for students to get into internship, or to basically crack the internship. I guess this depends from case to case, but so far in my friends list, or so far as I have heard, it is generally around 70 to 80% of the students who had converted their internship into full time. In New York, it is somewhere around 110k to 120k.